Hey there, ready to get your G1 license in Ontario? I'm here to walk you through the knowledge test process ASAP. Let's go. First, find a driver's test near you. Visit drivetest.ca to locate one and check their hours. Most centers let you walk in for the test, no appointments needed. But if you need an interpreter, call ahead to book a spot. Next up, bring a valid ID, like a passport or birth certificate, and $158.25. That covers the test, your future G2 road test, and 5-year license. You can pay with cash, debit, or credit card. Easy. And don't forget to study the MTO's Driver's Handbook. Grab it online at ontario.ca or buy a copy. It's got everything you need, road rules and signs. Bonus tip, try free practice tests online to ace it. On test day, arrive early, at least an hour before closing to avoid long waits. You'll take a 40-question test on rules and signs. Get 80% right and you pass. Results are instant. If you pass, you'll get your G1 license right away. If not, it's just $15.75 to try again. So study up, show up, and you're on your way to driving. That's it guys, check drivetest.ca for locations and ontario.ca for the handbook. Good luck, future driver.